Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how I remove a seized rotor. Sometimes they come off, sometimes they don't. This one seems to want to stay in place. I'm not going to bother hitting it with a hammer. I know it's not coming off. And generally I don't like to hit them too hard. Got a tie rod end, got a lower ball joint, got the wheel bearing. And something like this, I do know I'm going to have to hit it really hard with a hammer, and I just don't want to. So I'm going to show you the method that works for me. Sometimes there's the drilled holes or the threaded holes where you can pressure the rotor out, but in this case it doesn't have one. A little penetrant inside. Give it a fighting chance. Then I'm going to heat it up just with a propane torch. One minute later. Hammer time. What I like to use is an air hammer. Finally, but it's off. It may not be the best way to remove them, but it's the way I typically remove it. It does take 5 to 10 minutes. It is noisy and dusty. You get the odd piece of rust will fly. I wear hearing protection. I wear safety glasses. It's encouraged for others to do the same. If you have another suggestion, please put it in the comments. I read them all. I do respond. Thank you for your time. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.